Hi. A week ago I had surgery. I wasn't going to include any of this because it's not exactly like a happy memory to look back on, but also it's a part of my life, so might as well just include it. Basically what happened is I got surgery last week to remove cysts from my ovaries. When I woke up, obviously I was groggy and tired. I think I have a few clips where like I can barely keep my eyes open, and I'm just on the process of getting back to 100% feeling myself. I've been feeling a little bit low energy afterwards, which they said is 100% expected. Yeah, and I'm just on the pathway to fully healing until I can fully move around. I can walk and move, but obviously I can't lift things or exercise or anything, so I'm just on that pathway to where I'm fully healed and I'm able to actually do things. They also told me that I couldn't drive for a while, so that's been frustrating. Do you want to see my battle scars? Look away, close your eyes, or skip through a few seconds if you don't want to see this. Also ignore the monkey blood or the mercurochrome that is on me. Also, it's like stained my hands because I need to put it on every day, and yeah, so that's not the best look. I'm so sorry, but yeah, if you don't want to see this, skip through. Basically, as you can see, they went through 3 access points. It was here 1, 2, and then through the belly button. It looks a lot worse than it is just because the monkey blood is around it. So those are my battle scars. It's just a slow process. It is what it is, and I'm just doing what I can. So during this last week, if I hadn't been sleeping, I've been reading. I'm currently reading 6 of Crows. Yeah, which has been really fun. I've been doing code word puzzles. I've been crocheting. I've recently got into crocheting, and I'll show you a few projects that I've done. Yeah, I've just been taking it easy, listening to my body, and yeah, taking it as it goes. It sucks because I was supposed to be going to South Africa for my sister's baby shower, and I couldn't do that, which is a little bit frustrating. I was really looking forward to seeing everyone and friends and family and seeing my sister, because obviously we long distance. She is in Northern Cape in South Africa in the middle of a farm, and I am Northern Zimbabwe. So yeah, anyway, so it sucks that I don't get to see her. But anyway, here we are now. Enjoy the rest of this video. I hope there wasn't too much yapping. It's been like another week since that last clip. I've just been taking it easy, not doing much. I feel like I'm a little bit back on track. I'm still not allowed to drive, I'm still not allowed to go on walks, but I feel like I'm slowly starting to get back into the groove of things. Today when I woke up, I felt so productive, felt so good, and I was ready to get back on track. I caught up with all of my interior design work that I needed to catch up on. But other than that, big news, I've bought a kiln. I am so excited. This means that I can finally start making ceramics properly and sell it to you guys. So yeah, that's really, really exciting. Since moving to Zim, it's been a little bit restricting on that side of things, and there's hardly ever electricity here. So to set up a kiln or for other people to do firing services for you is very much a mission. But I will be setting one up with a generator. So I had to get a small enough kiln to be able to run off a generator that made sense, that wouldn't be too expensive. So yeah, I am so excited. I will show you the whole process of setting it up and everything. And now I can finally start making ceramics to sell. So many people have asked me where and if I sell my ceramics. And the truth of the matter is I've never actually had a shop online to publicly sell my pieces. So this is the start of that. I'm going to be testing out some mug designs and styles, see which ones I would like to include, maybe make a few, and figure out what other items I would like in my first collection. So yesterday I've made 10 mugs. I've just put a piece of plastic over it so that it dries slowly, especially for the handles so that they don't crack. I'm going to go through them all now, check that they're all drying okay, see if anything needs sponging. A few things. Firstly, Nate has surprised me with some herbs for my herb garden, so I want to plant those. Secondly, a package has arrived, and I thought we'd open it together. So this package is from Fig and Honey, who has so kindly sponsored this part of today's video. I love that. That is so nice. And matching pants. I need to try these on ASAP. So these are the pants on. Honestly, they are so comfortable. Feels like such good quality and the fit is really nice. And even often with baggy pants by the bum, it like gathers funny and it fits so nicely. They also have really nice deep pockets and a drawstring on the inside so you can tighten it easily and just hide them. And then the top is a long sleeve button-up and the material matches the pants. So you can get them as a set. I got both the pants and the top in a size 6, which is true to my size, and it fit really well. As you can see, it is an oversized fit, but it fits well in all the right places. For example, the sleeve length and the shoulder, and then it's baggy and oversized in all the right places to give it that look without making it feel and look like 10 times your size. I'm pretty sure this set also comes in a short sleeve option. And what's so nice about sets is that you can easily wear them separately or together. So this is just the top with a different pair of shorts on. Should we try it on maybe with a pair of jeans as well? Obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. Again, thank you so much Fig and Honey for sponsoring this part of today's video. I'll leave a link to their website and their Instagram in the description box below. They currently don't ship internationally, only throughout South Africa, but they do stock in shops in Cape Town. So if you ever find yourself in Cape Town, make sure to check out the Strangers Club in Greenpoint or De Kalkry in Kalk Bay. Again, I'll leave those shop names in the description box below. All of their pieces are made locally in Cape Town, and their whole goal is to create a capsule wardrobe, so every single piece is quality made and a staple in your wardrobe. So make sure to check them out, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Even though I want to wear those clothes from Fig and Honey immediately, I am about to do some gardening. So I've put some old clothes on, and then I'm going to go plant some herbs. Bye. It's currently Easter weekend. It's Good Friday today, but I am home alone for the Easter weekend. It was unintentional. Nathan is on a fishing trip at the Zambezi River. He left early this morning, and I was supposed to be in South Africa, but that got cancelled. But that means I'm home alone, and I'm not particularly sad about that because I'm just going to fill the weekend with doing stuff that I love, doing stuff that I want to do. Not a lot of shops or cafes or anything are really open, so it restricts me a little bit into what I can do, but I do have things planned, and I thought I'd bring you along for every little thing that I want to do. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is not the most aesthetic little setup, but I started the morning crocheting and watching some Zoe Thug vlogs. But this is what I am currently busy working on with crocheting. Please excuse the red on my nails. But this is the project I'm currently working on. It's a little cow. How cute. Obviously this is just the head. I still need to do the ears and the body and everything. I started learning how to crochet literally maybe like a month or two ago. I just taught myself and followed YouTube videos and online tutorials. I started with making a hippo lovey or snuggly, whatever it's called, for my sister's little baby. She's currently pregnant, but I've already sent that down to her in South Africa. So I think I actually have a photo. I'll insert it here. And then I made a goose, which I'm actually obsessed with. I love its bum so much. But yeah, this is also a online tutorial. I'll actually just link all of the tutorials or patterns that I'm using below in the description box. So I made this goose for friends who are actually currently in labor. So I'm constantly looking at my phone for updates, but I haven't shown this to them yet. It's obviously a present. I just thought this was the cutest little thing. Now I'm currently making this cow, so I'm going to carry on crocheting. I've also got a bunch of yarn to make a cardigan. So I've done all of these little bits and bobs for the cow. All that's left is doing the legs and the body and attaching it all. But I've been doing that for the parcel, but now I know it doesn't look like a lot, but for some reason it just took a while. So I feel like I'm in a little bit of a slump right now, and I want to get out of that. I have been given the go-ahead from the doctors yesterday that I can start exercising again. So I thought maybe I should go out for a walk just to ease into that. Walk, maybe jog a little bit, but just to gradually get back into that. But yeah, I think I just need to get outside a little bit today. It does look like it's about to rain, and I did see it drizzled a bit earlier, so let's hope it doesn't pour with rain. But anyway, let's go.
Everything ever written about love.
So I thought I should go to the market this morning, just to maybe get a coffee, walk around a little bit. I also got these pair of shorts last time that I was there, and when I got home I tried them on and they didn't fit. So I'm gonna see if they'd be happy if I either return or exchange. Yeah, so that's the plan. I might also see if there's any herbs or plants there that I can plant in my little herb box. yeah, and just look around. Our friends had their baby yesterday, a little baby girl, so I'm also going to see if I can visit them today. It's 10 o'clock now, so I really should get going. It is, again, a very gloomy day, so let's hope that it doesn't rain or it's not too cold at the market. Okay, let's go. I have to wear the mic because the microphone on my phone camera doesn't work. It sounds like I'm underwater and I don't know how to fix that. It's obviously just broken. On my way to the market, and then hopefully afterwards go to the hospital. How cute! I just finished and I think it turned out so well. Okay, well, that project is done.